Борису Джонсону. Послушай его.
Dear Mr. Prime Minister Johnson,
Возьми.
I'm Oksana, wife of your subjects. Help their family and the fate of your subjects. Help their Aiden and Shaun. Help me return Viktor. I'm grateful for your attention. I'm Oksana, wife of the politician parliamentary of Ukraine, Viktor Medvedchuk. I appeal to you for help in exchanging my husband.
I think Boris needs to listen to what Oksana has said. I remember seeing in the news when Viktor Medvedchuk was arrested for his political affiliations. If Boris Johnson really does care, like he says he does, about British citizens, and he would help Precious Zelensky to do the right thing and return Viktor to his family and return us to our families.
About this video.
Obviously, I know я понимаю чуть-чуть.
Вы хотите обратиться к вашему правительству?
Yeah, I'd like to appeal to the government to send me back home. I'd like to see my wife again. Yeah, obviously. Mr. Boris Johnson, obviously I'm Shaun Pinner. A lot's gone on over the last 5 or 6 weeks that I'm not fully aware of. Obviously, I understand that Mr. Medvedchuk has been detained, and we look to exchange myself and Aiden Aslin for Mr. Medvedchuk. Obviously, I'd really appreciate your help in this matter and pushing this agenda.